बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। पाकिस्तान, इंडिया और बांग्लादेश में कोविड निहायत खतरनाक हद तक तेजी से बढ़ रहा है। आज पाकिस्तान में औसतन अगर देखा जाए तो 30% के करीब कोरोना पॉजिटिव केसेस सामने आए हैं आज के दिन में। सिर्फ आज 14 जनवरी है। तो इसी तरह से भारत में और बांग्लादेश में कोरोना जो है वो बहुत तेजी से बढ़ रहा है और इसके बचाव के सिर्फ 3 तरीके हैं। यू हैव ओनली 3 वेज टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम कोरोना कोविड-19। नंबर 1, wear the mask. I tell you the mask in Urdu. Video is on the upside, you can see it. Okay. Second, you don't go in gathering. You be careful if you go in gathering. Be careful about gathering. And if you go in gathering, you go targeted and come back within no time. And third, vaccination. Unfortunately, Pakistan have many mentally problems about the vaccination, but is no side effect. I am also Pakistani. Is no side effect about vaccination. There is no side effect. Please protect the corona. Wear the mask. Don't go in gathering. If you go in gathering, you go for the very limited time and you get vaccination. Vaccination have a total 2 shots. One shot is already they have 1 shot already, and second shot they got, please they got shot. They don't go in marriage halls, they don't go in janazas, they don't go in, please don't go in all markets, please, to protect the corona. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.